Is this the holy grail sunscreen, or just clever marketing? First, let's examine the claims. Plum boasts squalane and vitamin E, promising hydration and antioxidant protection alongside sun defense. We need to investigate whether these ingredients are present in sufficient quantities to actually make a difference. Next, the application experience. Is it truly lightweight, as claimed? Does it leave a white cast? Is it greasy? Remember, the best sunscreen is the one you'll actually wear daily, and a sticky or chalky formula is a major deterrent. Time for the real test. UV protection. Using a UV camera, we can see if it provides even coverage and effectively blocks harmful UV rays. Darker areas indicate better protection. Pay close attention to commonly missed spots like the ears and neck. Observe the before and after. How does the Plum sunscreen stack up against other sunscreens in terms of UV defense? Does it provide sufficient protection to warrant the claims on the label? Our final verdict, after analyzing the ingredients, application, and UV protection, we can finally determine if the Plum Squalane and vitamin E sunscreen is a worthwhile investment or just another marketing gimmick. Check the description for a link to our full, in-depth review.